Alright, welcome back. I'm Eddie with Kansas City Legacy Properties, and this is part 2 of the series on what to do when you inherit a property, especially during probate. Today's questions, we got a bunch here. What taxes do I have to pay when I inherit a house? Let me start by saying this is not tax or legal advice. This is just what we've seen through the years of helping families sell inherited homes. Always talk with your tax advisor or attorney about specific situations. Now the good news is most people do not owe inheritance tax. And as for capital gains, you usually don't owe anything if you sell the home quickly after inheriting it. That's because of something called step-up in basis. Here's what that means. If your loved one bought the house decades ago for $100,000 and it was worth $300,000 when they passed, your new tax basis is on the $300,000. If you sell it right away for around that amount, you won't owe capital gains. But if you wait and the value increases, that difference is taxable. I've seen families hold on to homes for years, not realizing they were creating a tax burden for themselves. Another question we get is, can the estate pay for repairs and cleaning? And the answer is yes, absolutely. If there's money in the estate, it's smart to use it to clean out the home, get rid of pests, or make basic repairs so it's presentable. Those updates can significantly increase the final inheritance. We've helped families clean homes that sat vacant for years, had mouse damage, odors, or clutter, and it made a huge difference on what that property sold for. Now, what about ongoing monthly costs? Even during probate, somebody has to pay the mortgage, utilities, insurance, taxes, maintenance. And if the mortgage is still active, here's something to consider. The lender won't talk to you until the probate is open and you have legal authority. The sooner you start, the better you can protect the equity in the home. If you've inherited a property and you're feeling overwhelmed, we get it. Kansas City Legacy Properties is here to walk you through your options, help you understand the numbers, and make this whole process easier. Whether you want to list the home for top dollar or you need a fair, fast cash offer, we're here to help. I'm Eddie with Kansas City Legacy Properties. Click the link below or reach out anytime so we can create your plan.